Hey everyone, welcome back and welcome on board Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas. Today we are here to give you a room tour of our room, the Royal Suite, room 1556. It is the largest room on this ship. So let's go take a look. All right, let's give the doorbell a ring and see who's inside.
Hello! Come on in.
Weren't expecting you to be here. This is crazy.
Incredible. You invited me. So you walk in to this incredible foyer area. It's just lovely. So much room for activities. We are not dancers, so that will not be happening. But we'll come in here, and this little table and mirror is where you'll find your amenities. So that's fun. We'll leave the wine for the next people. Fun. It comes with a piano.
Why don't you play us a lick?
Oh, yes. I did take years of lessons.
That is beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, it's still playing. You're not playing.
We don't have to talk about it. But yeah, super fun. It is loud. I will say that.
It is.
We were unpacking and Jonathan was jamming and I had to have him turn it off. It was quite a bit. Also kind of something fun. They have other CDs you can put in if you didn't like that song and you wanted to play a different track. So.
It also still plays off of a floppy disk as well. So
oh my gosh,
there's a floppy disk in there currently, and then there's also CDs you could use. So
that's amazing.
Just wild.
So funny. So then we come into the living area. And they have this lovely couch. If you have more than two people outside of the master bedroom, this will turn into a bed. I think that's two and then another here. So it's 5 to 6 people, I believe, can sleep in this room. So just a nice little sitting area. You have your TV and a DVD player. So bring your DVDs if you're staying here.
You could do a whole movie night in here.
It's incredible. So we'll come over to the dining area. Something really fun with the suites is you can actually order the main dining room food into your room. So you can have a really nice meal in this room if you wanted to.
And we will be doing that.
Yes.
So
yes, we will.
Keep an eye out for a future video because we're going to do the perks of this room.
Taking full advantage of all the perks. So then we come over to the wet bar area. It's a really nice area. You have your sink, a kettle, coffee maker, your little fridge cooler over here. You can request some ice. And it also does come with a bottle of Evian water. Only one per cruise, people, okay? Don't get stingy.
Can I talk about my favorite thing? Yes. I'm a tech guy. I love this wall right here.
Okay.
This is every light switch in this room, pretty much, on this wall.
Yeah.
So you can control everything. And the really cool part is you can dim lights. So depending on where you are, you can just dim every small set of lights. You can turn them on and off. So it's not just an on-off switch like your typical rooms. It's all dimmable.
It is. Fair warning though. Last night I was attempting to turn off all the lights in this room and for the life of me, I could not find these lights. 5 minutes later, I've realized they're down here. So pro tip. That's where those lights are if you're in here trying to find them. So then we'll come back over here and actually we'll hop out onto the balcony. We are on a sea day. This room does have access to the balcony from 2 other sets of doors, but they are actual doors and they recommend not using those when out at sea. I imagine because they can slam and shatter. So we are not going to be using those doors to access the balcony.
But it is floor to ceiling windows.
Oh, it's
pretty much for this
views.
whole room. Even when we go into the master bedroom, you'll see.
It's incredible. Okay, I can do it.
Oh!
Incredible. I'm probably weak and it's probably not that difficult, but look at this space. It is so much room. You have your 2 loungers, a little table here, and if we spin around, additional seating, and you also have a table and chairs out here. So if you wanted to eat outside, plenty of room to do so. It is a bit windy out here, but I mean, just so much room. And again, these are those 2 other doors. That one's into the foyer and then this one to the master.
and just
So,
beautiful,
beautiful
ocean views.
Beautiful
You could
views.
even see the bridge from here.
And if you ever look at the diagram of the ship, there's a bump out in the middle. Our balcony is basically that entire bump out of the ship. So it's completely unobstructed. It's lovely.
We're not going to watch Amy pull this, so we're going to go continue on. And we're going to go check out the first of 2 bathrooms in this room.
And it was funny. We completely forgot about it our first night. And then we're like, wait, we have another bathroom. So
It's a full bathroom.
It is a full bathroom. I'll actually let Jonathan step in and show you.
So you've got your sink, you've got another vanity here, which is perfect if you are using it for yourself. You have your toilet, and then I actually just stepped into the shower. The cool part is it has 2 shower heads in here, so you can have the overhead and you can have your hand towel going, and then they give you special soap, shampoo, and conditioner. That is only in the suites.
And I also want to say this shower has a bench. The master shower does not, I believe.
It has like a triangular bench,
okay.
But
So
this one has a full bench.
That is a full bench. So that is nice if you're somebody that does need that extra assistance in the shower.
So slowly backing out here, and we're going to go into
the
best room, in my opinion.
I mean, it is.
It's beautiful.
Lovely. You have a huge bed, and last night Jonathan pointed out to me it's not one of those split beds that Royal Caribbean just puts 2 twins together to make a king. It is legit. You're not going to fall into the middle if you start rolling over, and it has a pillow top on it. So it's a very comfortable bed, very nice pillows.
They did add 2 of these, 1 on each side. So if you need 220 or 2 USBs, you can charge your devices. However, I did use it last night. It is pretty slow in terms of charging speed. So
also on the side of the bed, you have your bedroom, ceiling, and artwork lights. If you want to torment your partner at night when they're trying to turn off all the lights, you can just keep turning them off and on. It's a fun little game, Jonathan.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So then you have more of the floor to ceiling windows. Actually, fun fact with these, you can come over here and there's some additional buttons. Oh, can she do it? And you can close and open the drapes this way. So very fun.
All of the drapes are activated via a switch.
Yeah.
None of them are manual. So you could do the small like sheer drape. You could do the room darkeners. It's completely up to you. But again, the floor to ceiling windows here really just make this room so bright and light and just beautiful to wake up to in the morning.
Yeah, beautiful. You have a little lounger here. My favorite part, because I wake up before Jonathan so I can get ready. He's a natural beauty. He just wakes up and is ready to go. So I like this little seating area. I like that it's tucked in the corner so I can have my lights on doing my thing and it's not waking him up. Because in the other rooms, it's right on the other side of the bed and I'm blaring lights and he has a pillow over his face. So this is nice. It does come with a mirror here, not lighted, but it's nice to have that additional mirror. And of course, it has these little lights here. So come into here, plenty of drawers, some storage space. You have your safe. It's a walk-through closet, so we have all of our clothes hung up.
So you get your hers side, his and hers.
Yeah. Come back over here. A little space for Jonathan to get ready and some drawers. We'll come over to the master bath.
This room as well. This whole part of the room is just beautiful.
No, it's an incredible space. So you have your double sinks. I love that they have the storage beyond the mirror, so you can tuck things away.
You got even storage below as well. So 2 drawers and cabinets there. Yeah. Plenty of storage.
Plenty of space. This is me being very picky, but the hand towels are down here, so you do have to bend over for the hand towel. So we tend to just leave them on the counter because who wants to strain their back? I mean, it's so hard to be us. So then you come over here, huge Whirlpool bathtub. Is it Whirlpool? It's Jet.
Yeah, it's Jet.
It's Jet. Is that the same? So huge tub. It's fantastic. I have not used it yet, but I mean, who doesn't want a tub on a cruise ship when you're relaxing, enjoying your vacation, and you have a tub? Unbeatable. So then We have the shower.
Now this shower has 3 shower heads. So 2 fixed at the top and 1 handheld. Then you got your bath amenities again. This shower has the little corner bench, as I had mentioned earlier. You can turn each one of them on and off. You can control the temperature, like very, very comfortable in there.
Yeah.
So that's always a nice part.
So another great feature, if you come over here to the steam button, hit it once, let it be. Something magical will happen in the shower. It turns into a steam shower. So let's cut to Jonathan doing his nightly shower time and see how he's enjoying it.
Woo! Detoxified, refreshed, and ready for bed. That's one hot steam shower.
Didn't that look refreshing? So
That was great.
that was so great.
I feel so exfoliated.
And he always showers in his full outfit.
Yeah.
Glasses.
Who doesn't
Yeah.
shower in a t-shirt and shorts?
Okay,
This
so
is not that type of YouTube channel, folks.
final room in the house, and I'm going to close this door.
Yeah, it's another bathroom, right? So it's completely separated. It's kind of a weird layout, but it does have a bidet and a toilet. But you can have one of 2 ways to get into the room. So you can go in via the bedroom, or you can come in via the bathroom, the other section of the bathroom. So up to you. If you're taking a look at it back from the bedroom now, you can see there's a door to your left, which goes into the shower and the sinks. There's a door to your right, which goes into your toilet room.
And a huge mirror. So if you're getting ready, girl, you can look at yourself.
Right.
So just an incredible room. We are so blessed and lucky to be in this room right now, and we're going to enjoy every minute of it. It's so great.
So we hope you get to experience this room at some point on your cruising journeys. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying watching our videos. We're having a great time doing this for you all, and we will catch you on the next one.
Bye.